How to remove someone as admin in WhatsApp group. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be explaining to you how you can easily remove someone as an admin in WhatsApp group. So first thing, make sure you have created any of the group chat, and inside your group chat you can simply click on the group name at the top, and once you click on it you will be redirected to this page where you have to scroll until you see the members section, where you can see there are the members inside your group. As you can see, there are two members in my condition, and let me just show you how you can remove your group admin from this person over here. Let's say I don't want this person to be the group admin of my group, so simply long press on it on that person, and as you can see there is option to dismiss as an admin, and simply click on it, and as you can see the person remains on the group but hasn't got the admin access. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can dismiss or remove someone as an admin in WhatsApp group. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.